What if becoming wealthier didn't require a huge change? What if it only took 1%? Most people dream big, but big goals often feel impossible to start. Month after month, money seems to disappear, and progress feels painfully slow. You look at successful people and wonder, what are they doing differently? Days pass in distractions. The important things keep getting delayed. Small purchases seem harmless, but they quietly shape your future. A single coin doesn't feel important. Most people ignore tiny improvements. But something interesting happens. Small actions can grow into something valuable. The secret isn't dramatic change. It's consistent improvement over time. This is the 1% rule, and it may completely change how you think about money.
Imagine saving just a tiny amount, so small that it barely feels important. At first, nothing seems different. The results are almost invisible. Most people quit here because they expect immediate rewards. But wealth is usually built through patience, not through overnight success. After enough time, small efforts begin to show. The progress becomes impossible to ignore. Every unnecessary purchase has a hidden cost. It steals from your future self. The 1% rule is about making one better choice, again and again. Tiny improvements start stacking together, like building blocks of wealth. And that's when you realize the secret. Success isn't about size, it's about consistency. Small actions repeated daily can create results far bigger than most people imagine.
The 1% rule starts with awareness. You can't improve what you don't measure. Look closely at your spending. Small leaks can sink a big ship. Every dollar saved is a worker. Its job is to build your future. Money decisions are rarely about today. They're often about tomorrow. The wealthy often delay small pleasures to gain bigger rewards later. Just like a tree grows from a seed, wealth grows from tiny financial habits. Knowledge multiplies results. The more you learn, the better you decide. Clear goals give your money direction. Without a goal, money disappears. Progress may be slow at first, but momentum changes everything. And slowly, your financial life begins to look different, not because of luck, but because of consistent choices. The hardest battle isn't with money, it's with your old habits. Every day, temptation asks you to spend, even when you don't need to. The difference is often a simple pause, a moment to think before acting. One better decision may seem small, but small decisions shape your future. Each 1% improvement becomes another step upward. Progress compounds over time. One day, you'll look back and realize how far you've actually come. What started as a few saved coins has become a complete financial system. Your money is no longer disappearing. It's growing with purpose. That's the breakthrough most people miss. Consistency beats intensity. And suddenly, the life you wanted doesn't feel so far away anymore.
Financial freedom doesn't begin with a fortune. It begins with a decision. The person you become matters more than the amount you save. Once you learn the lesson, you can help others learn it too. The best habits are the ones that happen automatically. They remove the need for willpower. What once looked insignificant has now grown into something powerful. Years of small improvements create results that seem unbelievable. You don't need to start big. You only need to start. And once you start, stay consistent no matter what. Remember this simple rule. Get just 1% better every day. Because the future isn't built in one giant step. It's built through small actions repeated over time. The greatest reward isn't money. It's the person you become along the way. Every small improvement compounds until the results become impossible to ignore. Think about where you started and how far consistent action can take you. Financial security isn't built overnight. It's built one decision at a time. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best day is today. Your future wealth is hidden inside today's habits. Every small choice matters. You don't need a perfect plan. You only need a plan you can follow. Take one step, then another. The 1% rule works for anyone willing to stay consistent, including you. Start today, improve by 1%, stay consistent, and watch your future transform.